Hey fANNE-atics, today I'm going to be testing which concealer is more full coverage, or if they're both full coverage but a different formula. Let's try it out. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour full wear. This is, I think, waterproof, but this I've tried before and I didn't test it, but let's do it with the Dior Forever Skin Corrector Concealer. So I'm using the L'Oreal on my left side and the Dior on my right side, and I'm going to set it with the L'Oreal powder and let's see if there's a difference. This is what the products look like. So this one is in vanilla and this one is in ON. Okay, so they are both on. I don't know. So this side is the Dior side and this side is L'Oreal. I set it both with the same powder. I don't know. They both look the same. I feel like the other side, L'Oreal, is a bit heavier, but the Dior side is a bit lighter. Just, I don't know. I feel like when I applied the Dior concealer, it was a bit more creamier, and the L'Oreal concealer was a bit more heavier, I would say. But they're both full coverage. Are they both waterproof? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I want you to test it for me this time. So let me know if you guys think it's waterproof, but they're definitely both full coverage. And the L'Oreal concealer is such a good replacement for the Dior concealer if you want a bit more of a better priced concealer. But I do definitely love both, but if you want like a drugstore concealer, then L'Oreal is definitely for you guys.